The door was open on your tank. In the front, in the flap hook, it was like this much. So I just zipped it up.
Okay?
That's okay, but there's water. Fucking direct hit right at the bottom. Hold on. Where the umbrella was, there's like this much with my father's like, the supervisor's not sweat.